welcome back to my channel. My name's Heather if you haven't been here before. Today I'm going to show you how to get these super cute nails for only $7. Yes, $7. I've been wearing fake nails like this for about 6 years now. People are always complimenting me on these nails and they always ask me where I got them done, and they're super surprised every time I say I did them, and they always ask how. So now I'm making a video on how. Okay, so I just wanted to get started by showing you all the things that you're going to need for this video. So first things first, you're going to need some nail polish remover. If you have any polish or treatment or anything like that on your nails, and you have to go ahead and take that off. So along with that comes cotton swabs or a pad. I don't have any, so I'm just going to use some paper towel. Something to push your cuticles back with. This is just a double-edged tool here. One side is kind of rounded out and the other end is flat. You'll also need either some nail clippers like this, or if you have any, these are especially designed for clipping false nails. You'll also need a nail file. And you'll also need a pair of false nails. You can get these from Walmart, Walgreens, Ulta, Kiss.com, anywhere you want. I do use the Kiss brand always. I think that they have the best false nails. They really fit my nail beds well, so I like to use this brand. As you can see, I have a lot of different colors. These are all matte. They also have the classic like French tip here. If you are going to get the French tip, I would definitely go for the acrylic nude. I just think that they look the best, the most high quality, and they don't show any like air bubbles or anything like that since they are clear on the bottom. Or they have really extra nails like these. These are so gorgeous. Perfect for a night out or just if you're feeling a little bit extra. Okay, so first things first, we are going to prep our nails. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some on my paper towel here. And I'm just going to go ahead and remove this treatment that I have on my nails right now. I'm in the process of trying to stop biting my nails. So far so good. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and take this off. Now my nails are all nice and clean, and the reason we do this is to maximize the life of our false nails. You want it to be able to stick to your nail and not any type of oils or polish or anything like that. Okay, for the next step, we're going to take our double-edged tool here and we're going to go ahead and push back our cuticles. We want our false nails to get as close to our nail beds and our cuticles as possible so that it looks like we got them professionally done. Okay, so now that our nails are all prepped, I'm going to go ahead and start applying my nails. So right when you open up the package, you'll notice you have the display nails in the front here and your nail glue at the bottom. I do use the nail glue that comes in the kits. You can choose to use a different glue if you like, but I think this one works great. Opening this up, I'm just going to take off the display nails here. And all the nail kits also come with this little package. Okay, so in that little package comes these nail tabs if you'd prefer to use these instead of the glue, and it also comes with a mini nail file, which is great for if you're on the go, and this little wooden peg which you can use to either push back your cuticles, or some people like to use it when they go to take off the fake nails. Now you're going to want to find the perfect fit for your nail beds. I've done this so many times that I already know what size fits each of my nails, so I'm going to go ahead and pick those out now. All the nails have a very small number at the top of them. This is a size 3, which so happens to be my thumbnail. You can tell a nail fits you properly if you can set it down in your nail bed and you can't see your natural nails on the side and it fits in your nail bed nicely. So you can tell that this is a good fit for my thumbnail. My thumbnail is a size 3, my index is a size 11, my middle finger is a size 7, my ring finger is a size 10, and my pinky is a size 13. So the sizing with these nails is a little bit backwards. The smaller the number, the larger the nail, and then the larger the number, the smaller the nail. So the largest size that comes in these packs is a size 0, and then the smallest size is a size 13. I'm going to start applying the nails. I usually start with the pinky nail, just because when squeezing the glue bottle, you generally use these 3 fingers, so you don't want any type of pressure to mess up the bond that you've just made between the fake nail and your real nails. So you just put a little dot of glue on the nail, like so. Then you're also going to put a dot of glue on your real nail. Kind of spread it out a little bit. Okay, you don't want to put too much because if you do, your nail will be flooded and the glue will come out of the sides. So once your nail is set in place, you want to go ahead and press down for about 30 seconds just to give it a really good bond. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of my nails. Now that we have all of our nails on, I'm going to go ahead and trim mine. If you like yours this long, then you can go ahead and leave them like this, or you can skip to the filing part of this video, but I am going to cut these just a little bit just so that they're a little more livable for myself. I'm just going to go ahead and take my little cutters. Again, if you don't have these, normal nail clippers will work just fine, but I like to use these. So you just slide your nail through and you wiggle it around till you get like the length that you want. And then you just cut. So here's just a quick side-by-side difference in the length of the nails. This one is uncut, this one I just cut. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut all my nails now. So now I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that all of my nails are about the same length. It's okay if they're a little off because we are going to file them. Okay, good. Okay. And just remember, the thing about cutting is you can always take off more, but you can never put it back on. So I'm just going to take my nail file and really quick go over all of the tops of them. They're already pretty straight because I have that nice cutter, but I just want to make sure that all of the tops are extra straight across. I think filing them down on the sides just helps them to be a little bit thinner, a little bit skinnier, and just overall more flattering so they don't look like they're so thick. And here's just a quick close-up of filed versus not filed. They both look just fine. I just like mine to be a little thinner at the top. Okay, and that's it. Now you're gonna have some super cute nails. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, I have my little icon here to subscribe. That would mean the absolute world to me. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.